I'm using a satin fabric for our scrunchie. I measured this 16 inches by 5 inches. Note that the longer it is, the more scrunched up it will come out looking, but when you make it short, it won't come out looking much scrunched up. Here I have 16 inches by 5 inches. I'm going to fold this and sew at half an inch allowance. This is a 6 inches elastic. Using an office pin, I'll put the elastic inside the scrunchie like this. Now I'll sew this using a zigzag stitch. After joining the elastic, I'm now going to sew the open edges using a ladder stitch, also called an invisible stitch.